we are using the designs, create the shapes. So let's find the shape there. I will use the different features to make it. So let's keep on generating the similar designs. Explore the more options. I will take another shape. So let's create a design. Keep using the shapes here. Find another shape.